Good morning, Gretchen. How are you? Uh, Today, inshallah, we are going to go over the writing class, writing. And what is the title of the writing today is to write a review, okay, a review of a book or a review of a film. A review of a book or a review of a film. This means that you are going to watch a film, or you are going to read a book. Either you watch a film or you read a book, and you have to write for me a review for this book or a review for this film. You need to write your own feedback about this book or about this film. Okay, first of all, let's see, okay, how are we going to divide our writing? We want to divide it into three main paragraphs. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Now, in the body, you can add more than one paragraph. From 3 to 5 paragraphs should be included in your body. But the introduction is one paragraph and the conclusion is one paragraph. Now, in the middle, you can add the number of paragraphs you want, from 3 to 5 paragraphs. Okay. Now, first of all, you need to write me the title. Okay, here you need to write me the title. For example, a review about Avatar's film, or a book review for Charles Dickens' Oliver Twist, or any other book or film you have already watched. Okay, so how are we going to start the first paragraph? This is the first paragraph and this is the introduction, okay? Now, first of all, you need to tell me the title of the book or the title of the film. So what do you write? The, and here the name of the book or the name of the film. Its name. For example, The Little Woman, okay, is a really good book by, and here you write the name of the author or the name of the writer. By, and you write for me the name of the author or the name of the writer, okay? It is a, and you need to tell me, is it a novel? Is it a science fiction book? Is it a realistic book? Is it a fiction novel? Is it a non-fiction novel? You need to tell me here the type or the genre, the type of the novel. طبعا if you don't want to write about a novel, you can write about a film, and here you can say it is a, and the type of the film. It is a romantic film, or it is a science fiction film, or it is a reality show, soap opera, whatever you want, okay? And then the book was published in, and here what do you have to write? The year of publication. يعني when does this book appear to the public? When does it appear to the public? Here you write the year, okay? And if you don't want to write about a book, you want to write a film, you can write the year of released. يعني when does this film appear in the box offices, in the box office, okay? The book is very popular because many people are reading it nowadays. So the book is very popular because many people are reading it nowadays. طبعا all these terms that I'm using is just as a suggestion. يعني it's just suggested for you. You can write the terms or the adjectives or the qualities for describing the book or the film. The book is also popular because of its movie adaptation. طبعا هنا أنا I'm assuming that the book that I'm talking about was transferred into what? Into a movie. Okay, such as, for example, the movie Notebook. Notebook basically was a novel, and then it has a movie adaptation. يعني عملوا له film. Okay, now this is the introduction. If you like it, you can copy it and you add your own ideas. If you don't want, you can go to page 93 and choose the adjectives here that you want. Amazing, appealing, awful, brilliant, catchy, clever, cliche, convincing. طبعا انت I'm advising you actually to use a dictionary if you don't know those words, and you can use them actually to describe or to talk about your book or the movie that you are telling me about. Okay, now let's move to the body. طبعا the body also I left it for you, but let's look at the structure. The plot of the story. What is the meaning of plot? Plot, it means the story of the book or the story of the movie. Plot, which means the incidents, the events, the actions of the story. So the plot of the story. طبعا هون مثل ما انتم شايفين بالبودي, after يعني you give me a brief introduction about the book or the film, you need now to give me a plot summary. A plot summary يعني the actions or the incidents or the events in the story. You need to write me the events of the story, the plot. واضحة كلمة plot? Okay, so the plot of the story is very educational. What does this mean? It means that you can learn many morals. Morals means lessons. حكم أو وعظ أو دروس من هذا الستوري اللي انت عم تقرأها. So it's a very educational because you can learn many morals or lessons. The main character is, طبعا here you write me the name of the character, the protagonist, or you write the name of the actor, if you are talking about a film. He works as, now here you write me his or her role in the movie or in the book. He lives in, you can add the name of his country or the name of the village or the name of the city. It's up to you. With his family and friends. Now, one day, here you need to write me the climax. The climax, which means the problems or the difficulties or the obstacles that he faced. I mean the protagonist, the main character. Okay? تكتبوا لي طبعا كل الevents والactions اللي صارت معاه in this day. And here you can also add your favorite or the most appealing scene for you as a reader or for you as an audience. So there is a good scene طبعا part of the film when the main character does what? يعني you know that the movie or the novel is divided into scenes. Not all the scenes are the same. We have happy scene, sad scenes, إلى آخره. So you write me the scene in which you find it the most appealing for you. You like it very much. Okay? You write it in the body. طبعا you can add more paragraphs according to the plot. Alright? The plot and don't forget to add the resolution of the film. طبعا في films أو books بيكونوا open ending، يعني the ending is opened for the reader in order to decide about the fate or the destiny for the character or the protagonist. So here actually you can tell me that the ending is opened. I think that he should do this and that. So here you write your own opinion about the film. Now the last paragraph, which is the conclusion, you can say, to sum up, in my opinion, in conclusion, the book or the movie is really good because it asks universal themes. يعني the ideas or the themes or the morals that the movie or the book discuss, okay, are universal. يعني we can find them everywhere. We can find them in every society. We can find them in every country, such as freedom, love, family relationship, friendship, betrayal, and many other themes. هدول themes are universal. We can find them in every society, such as love, greed, loyalty, good, evil, and so many things. Now, I also enjoyed the strong description of the characters. Moreover, the soundtrack was emotional and touching or inspiring. So you can also talk about the soundtrack, which is the music of the film. You can talk about the acting. You can talk about the performance. Now, what I want you to do is to write me a writing about a film review and submit it as soon as possible. Not today. Take like next Sunday. How about that? Yes, next Sunday is the deadline for submitting your writing. And if you have any question about the writing, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much.